Caleb, let her get it.
More shoes. More shoes. Those are like the ones Maggie had. Do you want to try these ones on now? Do you want to put these ones on? What to do with all the shoes? Ooh, what's that?
Those are books.
Is that a matching game?
It's flashcards.
I hope.
Sturdy
I was
flashcards.
gonna say, I hope they're thick. Kaya, what else is in the bag?
One more thing in the bag. Yeah. What is it? Book.
A book about
shoes.
shoes.